Hi everybody, it's Therese. I am here. I'm back from Las Vegas, and I have videos to do today. My first day back. It was hard, but it was beautiful. It was a beautiful day. They were expecting rain on Saturday in Las Vegas, but you wouldn't know it because it wasn't raining at all, and it was beautiful, sunny, and breezy, and it was a perfect day to celebrate my niece's life. So if you follow me on Facebook, you probably already know that my niece passed away in a horrific car accident. She was hit by a drunk driver. She was 8 months pregnant. She was looking forward on having this baby. It was her second son. Everybody was looking forward on this child. And, you know, she was only 29. And she had a bright, bright future ahead of her. You know, she struggled a lot, but she was smart. She was, you know, anyway. So she's with her family, and we had a great day. I couldn't ask for a better day to have it. I was there from Friday to Monday. It was nice to see family, but, you know, in these circumstances, you know, you hate to do that, you know. But anyway, so I'm here to share my napkins with you all, and the first set came from her YouTube name is Rika Lorena. I think I'm saying it correctly. Hopefully I am, but I'm not very good at names. So here is the first one. Isn't that pretty? I think I cut into it. Dang! So that's beautiful. I love this. And she gave, she gave 3. She gave us this one. Oh, I love it. I love this one because it's brown and it has a butterfly. It's very pretty. I mean, they're all pretty and different. I'm just like amazed. And then, and this one looks vintage. And it looks like there's kind of like texture on this one, like a embossed background. It's very cool. So thank you. I love that one. And then the next one is from Mary Jones, and I'll put her link down below as well. And look at these. Oh, I love the butterflies. So pretty. So there's that one. That's cute. Mary, that is so cute. Is it on all 4 sides? Oh, wow. So you get 4 images. That's kind of cool. Oh, pretty, pretty. This one. Yeah, love that. And this one's very nice. I love this style too. So pretty. I love the vintage look. So that is super, super cool. Thank you, Mary. So that is my, I think I'm waiting for one more person, and then I think I'm done. I think everybody has sent in their beautiful napkins. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.